guys, sorry if you can't really see me. I just came back from Africa, like literally, like 4 hours ago. I don't know, 3 maybe. And here's some really cool things that I saw. The dogs, they're actually wild dogs.